Latest chika Jella Marquez may nakakakilig na shinare tungkol sa magjowang Don Bell. Tanong kasi siya ng isang showbiz insider kung masaya ba ang Don Bell sa isa't isa. Said niya, oh yes, sobra. Masaya at mahal na mahal nilang isa't isa. They're very private but proud. They're ninjas. A lot of times they're together but no picture are released. That's how much they're protecting what precious, private and theirs, and they're safe, secured, and special kind of love only two of them know and share, but many people cherish.